Hello everyone! Tonight I made pork with tomatoes and mushroom soup. Here I'm using oyster mushrooms and just pulling the big ones apart. I already have a pot of boiling water on the stove. For seasoning, I only add lemongrass and salt, then boil for about 10 minutes. I always like to chop my vegetables before my meat so I don't need to wash the chopping board, since I hate doing dishes. I'm using pork shoulder here, my favorite cut of pork because I think it's more versatile in the kitchen. In a pan, start with ginger and some hot oil. Toss in your protein of choice once the ginger starts to give off a delicious aroma. Salt the pork. Once the pork is no longer pink, add the diced tomatoes and allow these to cook down a little bit. I like to put the cilantro and green onions right before I turn off the heat. I love mushrooms, and I love the simplicity of all Hmong food. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and watch these other videos.